Are you looking for the best chainsaw sharpeners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best chainsaw sharpeners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Oregon 575214, Handheld Chainsaw Chain Sharpener, Grinder. The Oregon 575214, Handheld Chainsaw Sharpener includes a 12-volt car adapter. You can charge your sharpener on the go if you're working in the woods cutting up trees. Sharpen your saw chain anywhere by charging the grinder. Charging is effortless. You can also use alligator clips to charge the grinder using your car or truck battery. The kit includes 5 30-seconds, 3/16, and 7 30-seconds-inch sharpening stones along with a collet wrench. There's also an easy-to-adjust guide for optimum accuracy. Each sharpening stone will easily sharpen chainsaws with chains that feature up to a .404 pitch. The grinder's motor runs at a high-performance speed of 25,000 RPM, making it more powerful than the other electric chainsaw sharpener reviews we've given. Tackle any device with this chainsaw sharpening tool. At number 4, Oregon 25894 Chainsaw Chain File. The Oregon 25894 Chainsaw File features a file guide for effortless grip. The grip helps you reach the depths needed when sharpening a chainsaw chain, helping you achieve the correct sharpness. Engraved lines on the file's guide frame help you align the file every time with utmost precision and consistency. When assembled, the device measures 5 30-seconds of an inch, including the file and the wooden handle. The file fits firmly in the grip for ideal sharpening efficiency. This round file easily fits between the teeth of the chainsaw chain to sharpen each nook and cranny, creating optimum precision for a superb cut every time. At number 3, Oregon 23727 and 3/16-inch Chainsaw File. This handy chainsaw file kit comes with 2 3/16, 4.8 mm diameter chainsaw files you can use to file the teeth of a chainsaw chain. They feature a double-cut design, ensuring they each stay sharp for longer and resist clogging. The files fit both the standard file guide and also the Sure Sharp bar-mounted filing guide for precise sharpening. This 2-pack of hand-operated files is quick and easy to use. The lightweight design makes this one of the best portable chainsaw sharpeners around. Some users complain that these files don't include a handle, which makes holding the steel of the file hard. As a result, your hands sweat, and it's difficult to get a good grip for filing force without a handle. At number 2, Oregon Chainsaw Field Sharpening Kit. The Oregon Chainsaw Field Sharpening Kit comes with everything you need to ensure your saw chain stays remarkably sharp. This handy kit contains 2 5 30-seconds, and 3/16, round fine tooth files and a 7 30-seconds round saw. It also comes with 3 5 30-seconds, 3/16, 7 30-seconds, round saw chain files, a 6 inches flat file, a file guide, and a universal file handle. If you're unsure how to use these files, the kit comes with instructions. You'll find them in the handle pocket of the pouch for reference. Whatever your sharpening process, this manual sharpener will see you through. At number 1, STIHL 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener. The STIHL 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener is a great tool for anyone who finds themselves frequently working on projects in remote, outdoor, or limited power access areas. The tool is expertly made with a small and compact design, allowing you to transport it easily from place to place. Additionally, thanks to how lightweight it is, you can carry this STIHL chainsaw sharpener without fatigue. As a result, you can complete your sharpening job quickly and get back to the work at hand. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.